All right, so guys, again, I got another beautiful signal to share with you here. As usual, as you can see, I opened this short position based on some indicators, or some chart patterns. And for example, here I'm predicting that this candle is going to be a red candle and this one is going down. So I opened a short position or a lower position with $400. If my prediction is right, I'm making 86%. That's $344. And yeah, so I'm using the same strategy that I usually use on this channel. If you want to learn this strategy, guys, I invite you to go take a look at the course in the description below. Yeah, there's plenty of examples. There's everything about the strategies explained here. Everything about the strategies or the strategy I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. So as you can see here, the market is creating a downtrend. So yeah, a downtrend here. The market created this green candle based on parabolic SAR, the parabolic SAR or RSI. These indicators, I predict that the market is making a downtrend, and here is making a red candle. As you can see here, yeah, I made $344, and I'm making the second one, the second $344 as usual. Guys, if you're interested in learning trading, there's plenty of good stuff on the internet. There's plenty of good stuff on YouTube. Yeah, so the second win, let's just, yeah, this one. All right, this one is going up. All right, this one is going up. Yeah, once you understand the strategy that I use, you'll understand why I take this decision. So here I click higher, the amount is $400, and yeah, so $400, 86%. If my prediction is right, if my prediction is wrong, I'm losing all my investment, so $400, but that's all right. The percentage from my balance is small, but with strategy, with the signal, sorry, if I'm having a signal that make me, I don't know, $2,000 a day, that's amazing. That's $3,000 and $2,000 a day. All right, next, let's go up. Yeah, going up. So this one is going up. So the market created the green candle here. So red, red, red. This one was green. Look, the parabolic SAR changed position. The bollinger bands, sorry. Some people like to call it bollinger bands, and others call it bollinger bands. So that's all right. You can call it whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. All right. So as expected, this one was green, and yeah, I made, yeah, $344. $344. I'm sticking with $400. I guess I still have more candles. Yeah, this one is going down. This one is going down. So even if I'm not, even if I'm having a green candle, but a smaller green candle, I'm winning with a lower position. Once you understand and you learn the strategy that I teach on the course, you will understand what I'm saying here. So I clicked lower. All right, I clicked lower, and I expected that this one is going down. All right, and if my projection is right, I'm making $344. We already made, so I guess four. Yeah, four. We opened four position. This one, this one, this one, and then this one. Yeah, this one. So if my prediction is right, and I still have 1 second. All right, so as expected, $300. Yep, $300. Yeah. So I'm having, I guess that, yeah, it's going down. Sure, it's going down. So I guess that this one is going down. So the strategy is based on some chart patterns, the indicators, the bollinger bands, the parabolic SAR, moving average, chart patterns, the colors, the candles colors, the direction the market is taking. All this will help you predict the market. So predict which direction the market is taking, and if you understand which you can predict which direction the market is taking, you can make wins just like this one. And you can predict the colors of the candles, and once you understand the colors of the candles, yeah, trust me, this is gold. A lot of money is waiting you. Yeah, a lot of money is waiting for you. So yeah, um, as usual, I'm trading on IQ option, guys. There's plenty other good platforms that allows binary options. I also trade crypto from time to time. I like to trade crypto, but most of my investment is on here on IQ option. Great, another win. So I still have, I guess this one is the last. Yeah. I guess this one is gonna be the last position, right? So look how beautiful it was. Here it wasn't helpful. Here also I couldn't predict the market here, but once I saw this change, so I saw the parabolic SAR changing here and changing here, I knew that I'm going to see this type of chart pattern. So um if you want to learn from me, guys, I invite you to take my course. Otherwise, you can learn by yourself. There's plenty of good stuff on the internet. There's free videos on YouTube, free tutorials. There's plenty platform that allows free teaching. I encourage you to go and take a look. So yeah, see you later, guys.